Today we were gonna talk about common questions that you might ask yourself in getting your first life insurance. And apparently, malamang sa malamang, somebody has already offered you to get a life insurance. And if you haven't got your first life insurance, then I encourage you to please watch this video. Kasi maybe sooner or later, definitely, you will come across someone or a friend, a life insurance agent, or a financial advisor, which will offer you to get a life insurance for yourself and for your family. So stick around. I know you definitely need this video as a guide. Cheers! As you all know, I've been an advocate in personal finance for the past 3.5 years already. At dahil dun, I gained some experiences and knowledges with the personal finance. And one of those important learnings that I discovered is regarding life insurance in particular, which I would love to share to you today in this video. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, hi there, my name is Gabriel. I make weekly videos regarding personal finance, travels, and other fun, interesting stuff. Now, before we start, if you enjoy my contents and videos, please hit that like button to help me reach more people with my content. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash that notification bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I upload any new video. And for those of you who are more active on Facebook or Instagram, guess what? I actually have a Facebook page or Instagram too. So please follow me there as well. 5 months ago, I posted a video regarding life insurance where I talk about why I don't like life insurance and the reason why I took a lot of insurance policies. I personally recommend you to watch it also so you'll get more and more information before getting a life insurance and why you should get one. I will put the link down in the description below. Just click that out so you won't miss any important information regarding this topic. Now, first question that you might ask yourself now, what is life insurance and does everybody needs life insurance? So basically, insurance is just a financial product that gives you protection to you and your family with regards to unexpected things happen in life. Whether it's death, or whether it's an accident, or whether it's a critical illness that might develop, God forbid, wag naman sana. The follow-up question is, does everybody need life insurance? Personally ako, I highly encourage everyone to get a life insurance, especially to OFWs na karamihan sa atin, mga breadwinner of the family. Kasi for sure, at some point in time, yung mga beneficiaries mo naman, or yung mga family mo naman basically ang magkaka-benefit from that life insurance na kukuhanin mo. Now, if you're a breadwinner for your family or kaya parents ka na meron ka ng mga dependents, sa ganitong sitwasyon talaga, you definitely needs to have a life insurance. Pero paano pag let's say fresh grad ka pa lang at wala ka pang dependents? Ang tanong, do you really need a life insurance? For me, basically, this is a gray area, no? Kasi, paano nga ba? Of course, someone who advocates personal finance, I'd really encourage everyone to have a life insurance. Pero lagyan natin ng but. But if you can't still afford a life insurance, or kaya naman you need the money to something more productive like starting a business, or you want to use the money by taking a postgraduate or a master's degree, siguro I guess, mag-take risk ka muna from not getting any life insurance. But as soon as kaya mo na, siguro definitely that's the time to grab a life insurance for yourself. The next question that I love to ask myself is, how much insurance do I need to insure myself, and how much percentage of my income should I allocate to my life insurance? Now, the common basic answer kung magkano ang i-allocate mo dun sa insurance for yourself is just multiply your total expenses to 120 kung magkano ginastos mo in your family each month. Okay? Let's say, total bills and expenses including padala, bayad sa bahay, kuryente, tubig, or basically all expenses mo every month. And now, let's assume na you have total expenses of 50,000 pesos each month. Yung 50,000 pesos na yon, it's just multiply 220 and you will come up to 6 million pesos worth of expenses. Meaning, dapat yun yung insurance coverage mo for yourself, and that should put you in a ballpark. Again, this is just a rough computation, no? Yung basic idea lang nito is at least you can still provide 10 years worth of expenses for your family when you die. Kasi sabi nila, it would take 10 years or at least 120 months before makapag-adjust yung family mo financially from that incident that happened. If you're a breadwinner, you should provide a 10-year window or more time frame of expenses for your family to adjust. This is just a rough computation. We did not factor yung inflation here and yung inflation lifestyle of your family. Kasi let's say, paano pag magkaka-college na yung anak mo or magkakaroon ka ng sariling family with that 10-year window? So obviously, dapat mas mataas pa yung life insurance coverage mo if ganun yung sitwasyon. Okay, the next question here is how much money should go to your life insurance? For this one, no, well, I don't have any definite answer for this. Kasi nga, basically, it should be how much life insurance coverage you need that dictates kung how much yung gagastusin mo every month for your policy. Obviously, kung mas mataas yung value ng life insurance mo, obviously din, the more expensive yung babayaran mong premium every month. Basically, the higher coverage of insurance, the higher expensive it would be. If you can afford naman kung magkano dapat yung life insurance coverage mo in just one policy alone, that's the better. Kasi in most cases, like katulad ko, hindi naman ganun lagi nangyayari. Hindi ko afford yung 6 million coverage life insurance for myself in one policy alone. So what I do, or what I did, and what I can suggest is to chop into several policies or 2 to 3 policies to come up to a 6 million coverage. Example, during the time when I started working abroad, nagsimula akong mag-work sa Dubai, malit pa lang yung income ko. I started with a 2 million coverage lang muna because I can only afford yung proportion ng coverage ko sa monthly premium ko for my policy. Then pag tumaas na yung income mo or yung sweldo mo, siguro maybe after 2 years, then get another worth of 2 million coverage of life insurance in another life insurance company or the same life insurance company kung saan mo kinuha yung first policy mo. Personally, I prefer getting another policy to under different insurance company para lang may diversification effect. Also, one more advantage to get different policy to another different insurance company is mas madami kang makakilala, mas madami kang magiging mentor. You'll get to have a chance na magkaroon ka ng different benefits na wala sa first insurance company mo and more stuff like that. Lumaki na naman yung sweldo mo, it's time for you to get another policy worth 2 million life insurance to sum up the insurance coverage you need, which is 6 million. In that case, nabuo mo na yung 6 million pesos coverage mo worth of life insurance na kailangan mo in that span of time. The more life insurance policy, the better. So the third question that you might ask, are VUL insurance the best type of insurance? If you have met a financial advisor before, malamang sa malamang narinig mo na yung VUL insurance. The answer to this question is, it depends. In most cases, sa mga nakakausap ko sa group chat, like 70 to 80% of the people who are starting out, they preferred getting VUL type of insurance for themselves. Kasi in this kind of product, meron ka ng life insurance and at the same time, meron na siyang investment component. So parang hitting 2 birds ka in one stone. You get yourself protected while your money is growing. Panalong panalo, di ba? So what's the catch? The catch is that this type of insurance products has more fees compared to the regular term insurance. Because unlike VUL, the regular term insurance only covers solely life insurance mo at wala siyang naka-attach na investment component. Now, to justify the VUL insurance, why it has more charges and fees, is meron kasi itong investment component as I said earlier. Meron kang fund managers that manages your money, meaning, well, although you're paying your VUL insurance policy monthly, a portion of that premium goes to the investment component. That is why VUL type of insurance is kind of more expensive kasi meron siya mga additional fees and additional charges. This is just my personal opinion. When does the VUL makes more sense and when it does not? Now, if you are a typical working Filipino or OFW and you know it yourself, nagagastusin mo lang yung pera mo over a nonsensical things, then I suggest you put your money in a VUL type of insurance. If you don't have any investment sense in yourself and if you're not investing your money into somewhere else, in that case, again, try considering putting your money in a VUL insurance. But if you're already starting out yourself, investing into stocks or real estate, another investment product, or basically, may idea ka na into investment world kind of thing, or kaya mo educate yourself mo to invest into UITF, mutual funds, or you have the need to build a business, then definitely, a regular term insurance ang bagay sa'yo more than a VUL. Kasi nga, wala ka ng management fees doon, di ba? Because you yourself only now is managing the risk and the investment. By the way, everything that I say in this video is just based on my personal own opinion. At dito dapat gawing basis to your decisions in life. Again, disclaimer, I'm not an insurance agent. I'm not a financial advisor, nor an expert into this kind of thing. I'm just sharing my views and opinions in every videos that I make. All is just purely based on my experience and learnings over the course of being a personal finance advocate. Now, if you're that kind of person that into a health-specific life insurance, meaning you are more concerned of your health, then I suggest to get a specific health life insurance rather than a VUL insurance that has a CIB na riders. There are a lot more ways and facets of insurance. One good example, no, pwede mo siyang gamitin dun sa mga estate taxes mo. Meaning, the moment when you're gone or the moment when you die, yung mamanahin supposedly ng family mo, let's say meron kang condominium, or meron kang bahay, or meron kang 1 million dun sa savings account mo. All those tangible assets that you have will be freeze, and it will all goes to the government. Basically, your family won't be able to claim those properties and your savings until you pay the government proportion dun sa estate taxes based on the current value nila ngayon. So that's why here comes the life insurance. Yung insurance na coverage na makukuha ng family mo when you die will be used to pay those estate taxes mo in order na makuha ng family mo yung naiwan na properties legally when you die. Or di kaya, if you want to leave a legacy, na kung mawala ka na, it will ensure that your family will have a financially prosperous throughout their lifetime. Those were some advanced ways on how you could leverage your life insurance. For the meantime, the basic and fundamental use of life insurance talaga is to provide a financial protection for yourself and for your family to any uncertainties happen in life. Now, bonus question to ask yourself before getting life insurance, before we end this video. Which insurance company should I get my first life in? A lot of people is asking me this one, no? Especially when I first uploaded my first video regarding life insurance. My answer to them is, lahat naman sila magaganda eh. Kundi man best, siguro they are the current best performing insurance company in the Philippines. Now, to name a few, we have Sun Life, we have Manulife, we have Pro Life, we have AXA, Insular Life, Sing Life, and so much more. All of them can offer you the same protection that you're looking for. I just hope that this is not just the only factor when getting your first life insurance. Kasi baka sabihin mo kung sino yung mas maganda, kung sino yung mas sikat, yun yung pipiliin mo. I mean, all of them are available to help you get one. And kung ano mas siguro mas accessible sa'yo. I highly suggest to look for a good financial advisor na mas knowledgeable into this kind of topic at meron na siguro significant amount of experience in a personal finance. Usually kasi 10 years kayong magkasama sa financial advisor mo. So always choose the right advisor. Every company has its own strength to offer. You'll just need to explore to each one of them. Educate yourself. Baka kasi later on, bebentahan ka lang ng insurance agent mo ng policy na hindi mo naman kailangan. So it's better to have a precautionary in all the things, especially if it involves your money. Kaya as early as now, or as young as you are now, I suggest you should try considering getting life insurance. The younger you are, the cheaper it would be. Because as you grow older, mas prone tayo to death or to accidents or to sickness. Malay mo baka sa pagtanda natin, no more insurance company will accept us. Kasi siguro marami na tayong nararamdaman, matanda na tayo. Plus, you can no longer afford to pay your monthly insurance premium kasi nga, mahal na siya pag matanda ka na. Ito bonus tip. If you're a smoker, please stop it now. I promise you will thank me later when you get your first policy. As early as now, protect yourself and your family. And I encourage you to at least occasionally speak to your financial advisor. Ask him or ask her to do a annual policy review. Kasi every now and then naman siguro yearly nagbabago yung needs natin. Malay natin may magandang i-suggest yung advisor mo to your policy to further utilize the benefit of your insurance policy. Your agent is there naman to help you and guide you. They are not there just to remind you for your monthly payment. So those are the things that you ask before getting your life insurance. And if I missed something or meron kayong other questions, shoot them in the comment section below. I thank you for watching the whole entire video. I just hope you learned something new today. Again, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope to still see you in the next video.